Hello students, this is the first video of lesson 12 transport. First of all of you understand that what is transport? What is transport? Transport is a system which is used to carry people and goods from one place to another. We go to different places by some means of transport. Sometimes we have to go to visit our friends or relatives. The places are situated at far off places. So we cannot go on foot. We use some means of transport to reach them. We use bicycle, rickshaw, two-wheelers, buses, trains, and aeroplanes to move from one place to another. They are called vehicles. They are also known as means of transport. Now, distance can be long, very long, or short. Some vehicles move through air, some on land, and some on water. Transport is not only needed for traveling to places but also for moving goods from one place to another. Raw materials need to transport to factories and the finished goods have to reach the market. Thus, industrialization depends on an efficient transport system. There have been two major developments in the field of transport. The first was the invention of the wheel. In ancient times, carts with wheels were an important mode of transport. They continue to be a long time till the steam engine was invented by James Watt. This was the second most important invention in the history of transport. In the engine designed by Watt, coal was used as fuel to produce steam. Later, engines that ran on diesel or electricity were introduced. With this, transport underwent a complete revolution. Today, we live in the age of fast transport. It is possible to reach any part of the world much faster than before. Inventions such as aeroplanes and bullet trains have made the world a smaller place. Means of transport. The means of transport required in a particular country depends on its geographical limitations and on the needs of its industries. Transport can be divided into three categories. Number 1, land transport. Number 2, water transport. And number 3 is air transport. Land transport is further divided into two parts. Number 1, roadways, and number 2 is railways. The vehicles that move on land are called land transport. Land transport is of two kinds, roadways and railways. Now number 1 is roadways. Roads are needed for fast movement of vehicles. Romans were the first to build roads. The roads are very important for the development and growth of a country. A country is connected to other country by road. Road can be of two types. Number 1 is metal road and number 2 is unmetal road. What is metal road? Metal roads are called pakka roads. They are made of coal tar, gravels and cement. And unmetal roads are found in villages and are called kacha roads. They are made up of muds. Roads are of different types such as national highways, state highways, district roads and village roads. Today, every country has a network of metal roads connecting big cities, industrial towns, trading centers, and seaports. Developed countries have a network of highways. Highways are broad and straight roads. They are also called freeways or expressways. The road is divided into two parts. One part is for the traffic moving in one direction and other part for the traffic moving in the opposite direction. Some of them have 3 or 4 lanes or even 6 lanes. All countries of Europe are connected with each other through such highways. India is also connected to her neighbors such as Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, and Bangladesh by a network of roads. India is connected to China by Bharat Tibet Road. The Siliguri corridor in West Bengal connects India with the neighboring countries of Nepal and Bangladesh. India, being a vast country, has many roads and highways, but all its territories do not have equally developed roads and highways. We still have many kacha roads that need to be metalled and cemented. Road transport रोड ट्रांसपोर्टेशन हैज़ टू मेजर ड्रॉबैक्स. दो मतलब उसमें कमियां हैं. फर्स्टली समटाइम्स इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल टू कंस्ट्रक्ट रोड्स ऑन द डिफरेंट टेरेन्स सच एज हिली एरियाज. सेकेंडली दिस मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट कैनॉट बी यूज फॉर ट्रेवलिंग लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस. Here are the map of the road network of the countries. Now it is sufficient for today. Our next topic is railways in the next video, part 2.